Hello, today we will be teaching you how to make beautiful pulled string art. First, prepare the paint. Add some paint in the cups. And add a few drops of water and mix well. You can choose any color you like. You also need a piece of paper and some string. Okay, let's start. First, fold the paper in half. Coat string in paint. Arrange paint-covered string on paper. Remember to leave one end of the string outside. Fold the paper together. Pull string out. Reveal string art. You can try different colors with a different string. It's a beautiful piece of art. Try it yourself and have fun. Don't forget to share a picture with us.